हमार हॉस्पिटल है 17 किलोमीटर और बैंक तो है कटमडी से 17 किलोमीटर है और बैंक तो है 15 किलोमीटर होगी। बैंक ऑटो से जाइला जब बैंक ने काम नहीं होल केवाईसी में चाहे लिंक फेल हो जाए तो हमें कापसी भेज दे।
Imagine standing at the crossroads of opportunity and uncertainty. For millions of rural families across India, digital financial services offer new possibilities. Yet, their voices often tell a different story, one of confusion, caution, and unseen barriers. At Swadhar FinAccess, we make it our mission to listen to these voices. Through our work on financial and digital literacy, we have worked with over 7 million participants and focus on supporting underserved families with their financial concerns and aspirations. In the last decade, the financial services ecosystem in India has transformed, with millions using digital platforms to access financial services. The JAM Trinity and platforms like UPI enabled widespread access. But access alone is not enough. True inclusion requires safe and active usage and the confidence to transact on digital channels. In rural India, the digital divide is not just about having access to technology, it's about meaningful engagement. While urban users have embraced digital financial services with relative ease, for rural populations, understanding, trust, and a lack of digital literacy often stand in the way. Through the stories shared here, we aim to amplify the voices of rural customers, highlighting their lived experiences.
मेरा पास मोबाइल है लेकिन रिचार्ज करने नहीं सकते हैं, काहे कि बहुत महंगा लेते हैं पैसा और टावर भी नहीं पकड़ता है।
मैं नहीं चलाती, पति चलाते।
In rural India, the digital divide is stark. Smartphone ownership is around 40% for this segment, and access remains limited, particularly for women, as devices often stay with male family members. Erratic internet connectivity further hampers regular use, and for many, banks are often located 2 or 3 hours away and are expensive to travel to for any additional support. Psychological distance deepens the divide as unfamiliar technology feels foreign, intimidating, and risky. Digital frauds are widespread, making trust and confidence some of the biggest barriers. Even when some gain basic digital literacy, many struggle to see the relevance of financial products in their daily lives, further limiting their willingness to engage.
मैं फ़ोन पे मनोरंजन के लिए यूट्यूब चलाती हूँ, व्हाट्सएप चलाती हूँ, बस देखने के लिए क्या क्या मैसेज सब है उसको। और पैसा का लेन देन तो मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, इसलिए मैं फ़ोन पे नहीं चलाती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है।
Social norms, especially for women, act as invisible barriers, limiting their mobility and agency, especially when it comes to financial decisions. Many women are dependent on male family members for access to banking or financial services, and phone ownership is typically concentrated among men, restricting the woman's ability to independently engage with digital channels. Limited digital literacy poses a significant challenge for rural users in engaging with digital financial services.
हमको अंग्रेजी बोलने नहीं आता है और समझ में भी नहीं आता है और डर भी लगता है।
Digital apps are hard to understand if not in the right language or dialect, and navigating them becomes intimidating, especially in the absence of human support or hands-on guidance. This lack of confidence often leads to hesitation. While these barriers may seem overwhelming, with the right approach, we can make a real difference with solutions that understand the user and meet them where they are, both in terms of their needs and their abilities. By understanding who the user is, where she lives, how she interacts with digital services, and how she takes financial decisions, we can design products and services that fit her reality.
मेरे पास बैंक का खाता नहीं है और मोबाइल भी नहीं है मेरे पास, और मैं घर में ही बचत करती हूँ और बैंक के बारे पता नहीं है।
ये मेरा दुकान है, ये दुकान का हम मालकिन हैं और यहाँ जो भी ग्राहक आते हैं लेने तो हम पेटीएम द्वारा ही पेमेंट करवाते हैं।
One size doesn't fit all. Using user persona segmentation can help tailor solutions to individual needs, making digital channels more accessible. Peer support from community influencers can play a powerful role in driving digital adoption.
हम समूह में जाते हैं और जाके ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। उसके बाद जो अगर नहीं हमको क्वेश्चन तो वहाँ बहुत होता है, नहीं होता है सो बात नहीं है। क्वेश्चन होने के बाद जिसका समाधान मेरे पास होता है उसका जवाब हम देते हैं। जो नहीं रहता है उसको जो ट्रेनर भैया हैं उनको पूछ के देते हैं।
When women see others from their own community using digital financial services confidently, it builds trust and inspires them to do the same. These influencers become role models, offering guidance, support, and proof that success is within reach. Swadhar's experience has shown that training and hand-holding interventions can make a critical and catalytic difference.
हम फील्ड में जाते हैं तो क्लाइंट को मोबाइल के महत्व को बताते हुए उसमें क्या क्या फीचर है वो बताते हैं, और साथ ही हम जो भी है उसको एक्सप्लेन करते हुए इंटरनेट बैंकिंग को भी बताते हैं। जानकारी के बाद वो जो है व्हाट्सएप चलाने सीख जाएंगे और जो उनके प्रति मोबाइल के प्रति जो डर है वो भाग जाएगा, और जो है वो दुकान पे जाएंगे, कहीं भी जाएंगे तो वो आसानी से मोबाइल यूज कर सकते हैं।
Step-by-step guidance ensures digital tools are used with ease and trust, where users learn to open an app, make their first transaction, or understand the signs of digital fraud. It's through these that their confidence grows. Robust fraud protection, accessible grievance redressal mechanisms, and platforms designed to cater to users' skills, such as voice-enabled interfaces, vernacular language options, and direct customer support, can make digital tools more intuitive and secure, empowering users to engage confidently, knowing they have the support they need.
हम अपने जो कस्टमर है, क्लाइंट्स हैं, उनको जो भी डिजिटल बैंकिंग हम सिखाते हैं तो अपना सुरक्षा के लिए अपना जो एटीएम का गुप्त कोड होता है या तो फिर अपना फ़ोन पे यूज करते हैं तो उसका पासवर्ड होता है, उसको कैसे सुरक्षित रखना है, किसी को बताना नहीं है, उसके बारे में भी हम लोग विस्तार से बताते हैं और सभी कस्टमर को हम लोग बताएंगे।
As we look at the next decade of financial inclusion and the immense potential to transform lives through safe and confident digital access, we look to a future where families, and particularly women, don't just access financial services, they use them with ease and confidence, opening doors to opportunities and unlocking long-term financial resilience.